Episode 12, Machine Learning, Teaching Machines to Read Our Minds. In Episode 11, we saw how big data became the new hidden gold, a vast digital mirror reflecting every aspect of human life. But data alone is inert. To really control humanity, elites needed something, another tech, to understand that data, to find logical patterns, predict behavior, and subtly reshape reality without humans noticing. And so we entered the era of machine learning, a smart, global digital computer mind that learns faster than any human, remembers everything, and never stops improving. For those who believe it started with AI, think again. You have loaded all your digital online information into the machine learning algorithms for the last 30 to 35 years. Now, what is machine learning? Machine learning, Mel, is when computers don't just follow program rules, but learn from inbound and outbound data, adapting their own algorithms to get each time better at predicting outcomes. It's like teaching a child, but one that never sleeps, never forgets, and can process billions of data points in milliseconds. ML can do things humans can't, like detect patterns invisible to us, profile personalities from text, clicks, or social media, predict what we'll buy, who will date, or what we'll vote for. But it doesn't stop at prediction. It secretly influences subconscious behavior by deciding what content we are able to see, what ads we get, even what news stories appear first, and what Netflix programs we should follow. In 2018, the world was shocked by the Cambridge Analytica scandal. Cambridge Analytica was the case that opened our eyes. A British political consulting firm used Facebook data on over 80 million users, mostly without their knowledge. Through smart psychographic profiling, they built personality maps predicting each user's fears, values, communication style, and triggers. Machine learning algorithms then crafted specific personalized ads exploiting those fears, nudging millions to politically vote a certain way or stay home. Elections around the world were affected, from Brexit to the 2016 US presidential race. This wasn't science fiction. This was suddenly weaponized ML. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter harvest billions of businesses and consumers' data points daily. This made social media the perfect real-time lab. Machine learning systems crunch this data to keep you addicted with infinite scroll, adjust your emotions by citing what you see, shape your beliefs by showing or hiding information, build a constantly evolving profile of who you are and what will make you click emotionally. These algorithms are optimized for engagement, not for truth, because your time and attention are worth billions. The results? A world where facts and truths matter less than emotionally charged content, amplified by ML. Combine this in a smart way with the other invisible puppeteers like Netflix and YouTube. ML recommends videos not just based on your preferences, but on what keeps you hooked longest, even if it makes you more polarized or anxious. Amazon and e-commerce predicts your desires with uncanny precision, offering recommended for you items that feel like mind reading. Predictive policing, used in the US and China to anticipate where crimes might occur or who might commit them, often reinforcing racial or social biases. Social credit systems, like China's, where ML rates citizens' behaviors, creating a system of rewards and punishments as an algorithmic digital real-time leash. So machine learning doesn't just predict, it creates feedback loops. The more data you give, the better it predicts you. Why it matters, you might ask? Well, it is easy to go from predictions to explicit control. The better the ML predicts you individually, the more it can pre-manipulate your choices. And the more it manipulates your choices, the more predictable you become. It's a digital Ouroboros, the mythical dragon or snake eating its own tail. In fact, in outtime, a self-reinforcing loop, eating your free will constantly. The Watchers of old kept humanity under surveillance from the skies. The current digital watchers are the modern echoes of ancient control systems. Today's watchers are 24/7 algorithms, unseen, tireless, omnipresent. Every tap, swipe, voice command, and camera feed are another eye in the modern Panopticon. Ancient watchers threatened with punishment. Digital watchers threaten irrelevance. If you don't comply with the algorithm, your voice is buried, creating FOMO, the fear of missing out. This is the next evolution of control, subtle, silent, and almost impossible to notice. Machine learning and the AI long language models are the foundation for artificial intelligence. But this is just the beginning. From ML, we move to AI, systems that can reason, problem solve, and interact. AGI, artificial general intelligence, machines with human-level, flexible understanding and emotions. ASI, artificial superintelligence, minds vastly beyond ours as humans, capable of reshaping civilization in total. The line between liberation and enslavement depends on who controls the algorithms. Machine learning could empower us or chain us to a digital destiny, crafted by the same elites who controlled our past. This was episode 12, describing how machine learning taught machines to read, predict, and shape our minds. In episode 13, we dive deeper into quantum computing, the coming force that could supercharge ASI and make today's digital manipulation look like child's play. Subscribe, share with colleagues, your loved ones, and on social media. Ancient gods ruled with fear in the past. Modern watchers rule with algorithms. But remember, you can still choose curiosity over control.